Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to represent the relationships between the data as a chart. By using this chart, you can see the full hierarchy in one view. It provides a hierarchical view of your data and an easy way to compare different levels of colorization. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, we have to lay out the data in a hierarchy view. For example, the brand's name represents the first level and the model name represents the second level. And then we have to specify the sales amount for each item. Then the second item, we highlight our data like this and select Insert tab. And from Charts category, select Insert Hierarchy Chart, this option. And select Sunburst Chart, this one. Now we can compare different levels of categorization and we can apply any format we want. Okay, we have multiple styles from chart design. We have multiple styles. We can apply any one we want. For example, this one, and specify the chart title. And so on. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial.